Hi guys, welcome back to Sadler of Nails. I'm going to show you this really cool magnetic flowers outlined in chrome, I guess. I'm using these Apres Gel X nails that are already colored. That's just to save time. And I'm also using Black Magic by Bioseaweed Gel, and we're starting off with the chrome outline. Now you do want to start with a matted nail, and I would suggest buffing the nail mat as opposed to using a matte top coat, because chrome can stick to a matte top coat, but it does not stick to a buffed nail. So because we're going to be applying chrome to this black after it is cured, I buffed the nail first because I don't want any of the chrome sticking to the background. I only want it to stick to the black. So for the chrome, I'm using my Christrio Gold Chrome. I will have the number of the chrome in the description box. And I'm just using an eyeshadow brush to burnish in the chrome. And then that was just like a little cheap paintbrush to brush off the excess. Now, the chrome is not sealed in or anything yet, and I'm now coming in with my next step. So do not mess this part up, or else you will screw up the chrome. So this is just my magnetic polish that I'm just painting inside the chrome flowers. And then I'm going to use the magnet to bring out the, I don't even know what it is, pigment, I guess. And then I'm going to cure that. And then for the other flower, I'm using Frizzante by Glam, which is also a magnetic polish, to do the exact same process. I'm just painting in the center, and I am using my long fine liner brush from Glam. Everything is in the description box. And also, if you want to get a 40% discount on Glam, you can use my code BeckyTK40. So after I've cured that, I decided I wanted to add, I don't know, a little bit of color to the center of the top flower. So I'm just using this glass jelly polish to kind of add some purple in the center of the top flower. And then after I cure that, I'm then going to come in with 24K by Glam, which is a gold glitter, to add to the center of both flowers. And then just to add a little bit more daintiness, I'm just adding a couple of small white dots with my white gel play, also by Glam. And then once I've cured all of that, I'm going to top coat the entire nail with Glam's No Wipe top coat. And the base nail is a little bit sheer, so you can see that when you add the top coat back to it. Now, if you wanted to keep the back matte and just make the flowers glossy, then you could just paint the glossy top coat over your flowers. Anyways, there's the design. Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe.